Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make liver stew, so stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a small bowl, remove the outer skin of the liver, clean and cut it into pieces like this. Then add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder a half a teaspoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and lastly squeeze a half a lemon or 1 lemon and mix the liver and the spices very well. Then cover the liver and put aside to marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour of marination, we will make the stew. In a pan or a pot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, let it heat up and add 1 large sliced onion and cook it till it starts turning color. Once the onion starts to turn color, add mixed paprika and cook them for about 30 seconds. And add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and give it a quick mix. Followed by 3 large sliced tomatoes and cook the tomatoes till soft and juicy. Once the tomatoes are soft, add 1 magi cube to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of Royco, optional if you don't have. This is to make your stew more tasty and thick. Then pour a 1/4 cup of water and stir and let the stew continue cooking. Then lastly, add your marinated liver and mix them slowly. Cover and let it cook till the liver is well cooked and tender. Don't overcook the liver or else the liver is going to be too hard. Once the liver is well cooked and soft like this, then your liver is ready. And your delicious liver stew is ready. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with ugali, rice, chapati or anything you like and enjoy your stew. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.